I'm Sienna and I'm an applied social science student.
And I'm Sebastian and I'm a journalism student. And we're outside the Wave, which is a brand new, dedicated social sciences building. It's full of lots of different study spaces that anyone from any course can come and use.
The Wave is in a great location. It's really close to the first year student accommodation and it's opposite Goodwin Sports Centre. It's also just a short walk away from the rest of the uni and the city centre. Should we go take a look around the Wave?
Welcome to the Wave. The Wave is the most sustainable building here on campus, and we're also really proud that it's the first net zero carbon building here on campus.
In the Wave, in the atrium, you'll find a cafe, prayer room and the Cornerstone employability hub, which is where we're going next. We're now in the Cornerstone, where all social science students can come to get employability and career support.
It's also the place to come to help find the work experience opportunities and placements. They also hold regular careers events. I myself have benefited from a recent networking event that was held here. We're now here in Lecture Theatre 1, which is the biggest lecture theatre here in the Wave. It has capacity for 400 students and is often used for the bigger modules on the courses that people study.
This is one of the bigger workshop spaces in the Wave. It's very flexible and adaptable. It's used for small seminars, big seminars, workshops and group work. We're now at the back of the Wave, where there's some lovely places to sit and enjoy the sun.
And there's even a bike store if you wanted to cycle onto campus.
We're now on the first floor, where there's lots of collaborative study spaces where you can work in between seminars and lectures. Although this is a social sciences building, anyone from any course can come and study here. It's really nice to come meet your friends for a coffee or a study session, no matter what course they're from.
On this floor there's bookable seminar rooms and you can also loan a laptop. There's also a couple of silent study rooms which are great for studying throughout the year, but particularly during exam season. We're now on the journalism corridor, which is on the first floor of the Wave building. There's lots of industry standard equipment and facilities such as a TV studio, radio studio, plenty of newsrooms and recording equipment like this one here.
We're now on the top floor of the Wave, where a lot of the staff offices are. You can come here to get accessible student support and just advice from your personal tutors. Thanks for coming to the Wave with us, and we are now in the cafe.
We're about to get with some work now, so we'll see you soon.